This is tomorrow morning, already decided. Every task on this list carries a price tag, and the system has ranked my day by what each one is worth to the business before I even sat down. You run the business alone: marketing, sales, delivery, admin. Every morning opens with the same expensive question: what actually matters today? This is Founder OS, and it answers before you ask. Here is the part that sounds made up. You do not build this system. You duplicate it, copy one prompt into Claude, and it interviews you about your business, then writes your objectives, your projects, and your first week of weighted tasks straight into your workspace. 20 minutes from duplicate to a decided morning. It works because everything runs on one connected cascade. Objectives set the destination, key results measure the route, projects carry the metrics, tasks carry the weight. Change something at the top, and it flows all the way down to your day. Every task is weighted: £100, 1,000, 10,000. And every task is signal, motion, or noise. Signal moves a metric, motion prepares. Noise serves neither. All three happen daily, only one compounds. The system keeps itself honest. A 10-minute pulse closes each week. A monthly report names the execution gap. A quarterly recalibration rules kill or continue on every project. And once a month, Claude reads the lot and delivers the true state of your business to one page. It arrives alive, populated end-to-end with a full worked example, so every view demonstrates itself the moment you open it. And it is built by a Notion official creator who runs her own ventures on this exact architecture. Founder OS is $67 at founding price. Version 1.1 adds the money layer and the price moves up. Founding buyers keep every core upgrade. Duplicate it today and tomorrow morning opens already decided.